Continuation on the 64 half Mustang. First test drive in 21 years. Got back in the shop. Had to replace some freeze plugs actually from right after that test drive behind the manifold there, but that was a pretty easy job. Got a couple new parking brake cables I got to put in there, and over to the interior. Got the carpet in, and got a couple new seats actually in there from Mustang Plus, and got a dash coming pretty soon. I got the armrest, new armrest up there, and coming right along. It's got to repaint the dash and gauges, detailing, and start on a little body work here soon. Just a lot of surface rust. Solid floors, really solid car. Minimal body filler on it, someone else did. Anyhow, that's where I'm at right now. I'll keep in touch. Thank you.